Find ITER. Find ITER. Next, start off. Start కాదు, start off. Next, end of. Next, group of. Start of, end of, group of are present in where? Start of, end of, group of are present in where? Match class object. They are present in where? Match class object. Match class object. Match కాదు, match class object. Match no, match class object of which module? RE module. RE module. Okay, correct గా చెప్పాలి. So these are the functions I said. There is a function called sub that I will tell you separately for you. So I hope these functions we discussed it and I shown the program on that area. Now I will move to the further. So that is about one simple explanation I gave you and we completed that area. So index, there was an index. This part was done in the last class. Today we are entering into the very, very important area, programmer defined character classes in regular expressions. This I am going to discuss now. Very important concept. So here I am going to discuss about programmer defined character classes in regular expressions. So there I am going to get it. So here I am going to get it. Here I am going to get it. Now I am going to enter into this place. So what is the purpose of this programmer defined character classes in regular expressions? So I'm going to start about it. Programmer defined character classes are developed by, I'm going to start 16 formulas I'm going to explain. The programmer defined character classes are defined by defined by Python programmer, Python programmer, and whose purpose whose purpose is that is that to his purpose is that to define or to design the search pattern, to design the search pattern. Already we thought about search pattern. What is the search pattern combination? Search pattern is a combination of what? Alphabets, digits, and special symbols. Design search pattern, and it is used for matching, matching, or searching, or or finding in given data, given data, and obtains which result? Desired result. Obtains what result? Desired result. For this purpose, we are going to use programmer defined character classes. So, how many programmer defined character classes are available? So, programmer defined character classes are playing an important role in designing what? Search pattern. So, search pattern is nothing but preparing which one? Regular expression. What is the definition of regular expression? Yesterday I said regular expression is one of the search pattern which is a combination of alphabets, digits, and special symbols. Okay. So, how many programmer defined character classes are there? I'm going to define now. We have we have 16 programmer defined character classes in regular expressions, and they are given in the following table. Given in the following table. So I'm going to show you here. What are the programmer defined character classes? I'm going to define now. So I'm going to enter into this programmer defined character classes. So I'm going to start with this now. So let us start about serial number. Now I'm going to take it. Programmer defined character class. Programmer defined character class. Now I'm going to take up programmer defined character class. And now I'm going to take about description. Description I'm going to show you. So let us start with the almost I'm going to write 16 programmer defined character classes. So while I'm beginning some small difficulty will be there for you. Later it is going to be, it is dead easy for you now. So what are those things? I'm going to start up to 12. It will be more easy. And 15 and 16, you will be preparing that. So let us start the first one. So I will start explaining all these formulas through examples itself. As I already said to you, as I already said to you in the introduction to regular expressions, I said, in the introduction to regular expressions, I said, this is my given data, for example. This is my given data, for example. So I'm going to take it, new Python program. So here I'm going to take up regular expression, example 4.py. There I'm going to write it. This is my given data. There I'm going to take it. My search pattern today is I want to search for only some letters I want to search. Only letters I want to search. I want to search for what? For example, K I want to search, V I want to search, R I want to search. How do you search K or V or R? Why you are sitting like that? Roshan? Try to sit this side. You also go to back side or come front. Last mundu వాళ్ళకి వచ్చాడు. Last row people come this side. Don't sit here and there like a public meeting. Sit in the row. Last మీరు లేరా? I need to bring bulldozer or what? Hmm. Start. I want to search for what? K, V, R. Either K or V or R. I want to search for either K or V or R. Yesterday, what I was searched for? Python. Today, I want to search for what? K, V, R. Three letters I want to search. How do you search? Here, if I write K like that, I can search only for what? Only one letter called K. If I search here, for example, V, it search for what? KV. If I write R, it will search for the word called KVR. But I don't want that. I want to search for what? Either K or V or R I want to search. For that, the first formula I am going to write it. The first formula, square bracket. The the syntax of the syntax of I'm writing here the syntax for programmer defined character class. The syntax for programmer defined character class. The syntax for programmer defined character class is given below. Is given below. Is given below. What is that? Double quotes within the square bracket. Programmer defined character class within the double quotes. You need to write. That is what I am going to define the programmer defined character class. Whichever letters you want to search, we are focusing on letters searching. Group of letters searching, I will go for which concept? Quantifiers. Quantity means what? Multiple values. We are focusing on how to search for single letter. Single letter I am going to tell you. How do you go for single letter now? I am going to write it here within the square brackets. Within the square brackets, I am writing KVR. KVR. This will go for doing what? This is my class name. I'm going to write the description. What it will search for? What it will search for? Here I will write a programmer defined character class. Here I am writing description I am going to take up. What are the description, students? Searches for within the square brackets, whatever the letters you write, that letters only it will search. Searches for either K or V or V or R. Searches for either K or V or only. If I write the letters called what? A, B, C, if I write it will search for what? Either A or B or C. So I'm writing my name there, K, V, R. Go there. I'm going to enter into this. I'm writing for search pattern. I'm going to write what here? KVR. I'm going to write. What is this is called? Search pattern. How do you search it? K index I want to find. Letter V index I want. Letter R index I want. Letter K index I want. V index I want. R index I want. అక్కడ చూడాలి. On the board. You need to see on the board. So need to search for either K or V or R. I need to go for it. How do you go for it? Completely I want to search. All the letters I want to search. Which function you will use? Find all, search, find ITER. Which one is the better? I want their indices also. Which one is the better? Find ITER. Find import RE. What is RE here? Module. So I'm going to write it RE dot find ITER of SP comma GD. It will return what? Match details. Yesterday's class. I am going to get it for what is the match details type? What is the match details type? Huh? Callable underscore callable underscore iterator. Callable underscore iterator. పిలకండి. Yes. For I'm going to write it for I'm going to write it match details. I'm going to write it. I'm going to write for mat in mat res. Mat in mat res. So there I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. Start index. Start index. Next I will write end index. End index. Now I will write it value dot format of mat dot start mat dot start mat dot end comma mat dot what group I'm going to write it. Mat dot group I'm going to write it. I hope you are understanding this. So there I'm going to write it. Here I am writing something like this. So here, students, you try to understand like this. So I will say program for searching, program for searching, hmm, either K, either K, hmm, either K or what V or what or this I want to search only. This I want to search for. How do you do that? Save this code. Here I'm getting it. Regular expression 4.py. Coming to the command prompt, I'm going to get it. CMD. Do you have that letters? All the three letters are there here? Hmm. Yes or no? No. Python here. There I'm going to write it 4:11 a.m. So regular expressions here. Now I will go to py. So here I got it. What is this now? Match details. MAT. Match details. Match details. There I'm going to write it. There I'm going to write it. So you got it. K 1 2 2. That is a 2 minus 1. One K is there. In 3 and 4, one more letter is called what? R is there. So do you have here K is there? In one more place there is an R. So suppose there is a V is there, for example, V. There is a one more letter called V. V is also there in the ninth index or not? This is called finding the letter called KVR. Are you getting me? Online students. So beginning, some small confusion will be there. As the class is getting progress, it will become much easier for you. Now, second one I want to go for. Other than this, I want to search. Other than this, I want to search. Other than KVR, I want to search. Other than KVR, I will use exclusive, bitwise exclusive or operator. I will use bitwise exclusive or operator. What it says, searches for, come on, searches for all except K, K, R, V, R, R. What is the meaning of exclusive or operator? What is the use of exclusive or operator? Tell me. First of all, what is XOR? What is XOR? Full form చెప్పమని కాదు అక్కడ అర్థం. What is XOR? Similar bits are 0. different bits are 1. That is XOR. Correct? Similar bits means what? K and K. No. V and V. No. R and R. No. K and K means same bits. Don't want. V and V means what? No. R and R. Same. No. Other than KVR. That is nothing but exclusive OR operator or not. What are the uses of exclusive OR operator? Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference already I said or not? With the exclusive OR operator, symmetric difference already I said. One more way I can use it in where? Regular expressions I can use. So in this way, I can use this regular expression once again. Bitwise operators are having lot of importance. Here I used it. Go to the program, online students. So go to the place now. So are you there, online students? Are you following me? Is this concept is clear? Respond it. Program for searching for all except 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 K or V or R. Except K or V or R. So under that, I got it. In this case, what is this now? I'm going to write it. In this case, exclusive OR operator I'm writing. Exclusive OR operator I'm writing. So regular expression 5.py. Regular expression 5.py. So there I will write it. 5.py. In 5.py, what will come? Other than 139 will come. It will search for all of them except this 139. See the output of it. See the output of it. What is not there? 1. 1 is not there. 3. 3 is not there. 9. 9 is not there. 8 and 10 is there. 8 and 10 is there. Directly 9 is not there. 139 is not there. Are you following? Searching for all except what? Except what? Yes. So I'm going to write it. I hope so. You are going to get even space also. Okay. It is going to be here. 1 is not there. 3 is not there. 9 is not there. It is printing all of them. Clear? Similarly, now gear up the discussion. Online students, ready? Now start. I want to search for all uppercase alphabets. How many uppercase alphabets are there? Hmm? How many uppercase alphabets are there? Three. Uppercase alphabets. How many uppercase alphabets are there? Huh? 26. So how do you write it? I want to search for all uppercase alphabets. How do you write it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Chalu lenda cheppuka. So got it. A, B, C, D, etc. Got it? Hmm. Will you write that many lines, that many letters? So if I write like this, is it waste of my time or not? Simply, I will write what? A to Z. A to Z. Which A to Z? Capital A to Z. Come on, what is this searches for? Searches for. Searches for all uppercase alphabets. Uppercase alphabets only. Searches for all uppercase alphabets only. Understood? Well, go to the place. Now I'm going to carry. In this case, if it is a normal Python programming, in order to get uppercase alphabets, I used to write at least 8 to 9 lines of code I need to write. But here I never write that many lines of code. Program for searching all uppercase alphabets. Uppercase alphabets. How do you write it? Say simply A to Z. Beautiful formulas. So just the formula I'm changing. Formula I'm changing. So automatically will get the result. So what are the letters will come? Uppercase alphabets will be coming. P, Y. See that all uppercase alphabets are there or not? A, P, M, G, Q, T, Y, L, D, like that. Now other than uppercase alphabets I want. Other than uppercase alphabets. Come on, fast. Go to that. I will carry exclusive or operator. Online students, come on, get up. So exclusive or operator searches for all except which alphabets? Uppercase alphabets. Go there immediately. This one, copy. I will paste these formulas. So here, this is called 7.py. Searches for program for searching all except uppercase alphabets. In this case, 7, I will write it exclusive or operator. It searches for everything. Regular expression 7.py. Here I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it 7.py. It is going to be 7.py. We see here 057. Here 0 is not there. 5 is not there, 7 is not there, 11 is not there, 12 is not there, and 15, 19, 22. 15, 19, 22. 15 is not there, 19 is not there, 22 is not there. That is except which letters? Uppercase alphabets. Are you getting me? Uppercase alphabet. If you want to write a normal Python code, it will take a lot of coding. But this is going to be very simple formulas or not? And most efficient also. Online students, go to the next, another one. Next, what I want to search? I want to search for lowercase alphabets. How do you write it? How do you write it? Stand up. How do you write? Hmm? Square bracket open. Cheppu. Square bracket open. Square bracket open. Cheppu. Open. Small a, hyphen, small z. Close the square bracket. అట్లా చెప్పాలి. డిస్క్రిప్షన్ చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు. Searches for all lowercase alphabets. కూర్చో. నెక్స్ట్ అందరిని అడుగుతా ఇప్పుడు మొత్తాన్ని. బీ రెడీ ఫర్ దట్. Searches for lowercase alphabets. If I don't ask you the questions, of course, almost we are coming to an ending. చిన్న స్టోరీ చూపిస్తాం మీకు లాస్ట్ లో. Because I am also a member of Quora. You know Quora? You know Quora? తెలియదా? The open discussion forum, advices, etc. One very typical question came. One typical question came. One typical question between wife and husband. What is the typical question in brief? At the time of marriage, at the time of marriage, the gent, this male job, male salary is 30,000. The girl job, girl salary is 70,000. 70. The girl opposed at that time only. Elder said that okay, in the coming days when marriage is over, he may try for better job and better he will try. No problem. Everything will be adjusted. See, that girl opposed in the beginning only. No, no, I don't want. He is having less salary, so I'm having 70,000 salary. Now that is the discussion. Marriage is over. Going on. Work is going on. So in that work going on, she got a very hike also. He did not get any hike in the salary. So when hike is not given, when he is a mud candidate, when he is a mud candidate, hikes will not be coming. When he is a good candidate, automatically hikes will be coming. It's a simple, correct? Later, two kids, boy and son and daughter, for those couple, life is continuing. After the two kids, he stopped doing the job. He stopped doing the job, and her salary by that time is 1 lakh. Meantime, the total is not doing anything. IT-BT course is doing. And why is not doing? Because wife is earning. And at present, at present, her salary is 25 LPA, 25 lakhs LPA, 25 lakhs per annum, almost 2 lakhs per month. And he is not doing anything. He is not taking care about the kids also. And simply waking up at 11 o'clock morning and roaming here and there and coming and then sleeping again without taking care about the kids. Who wrote the story? The wife has written. Now what to do? What to do? How to make this guy to work? I said to my elders that time only, is not suitable to me. Suitable in the sense he is not having good salary. Good salary in the sense not competent to me. Then they did that marriage. Then he's not doing anything. Total burden on me. I'm feeling why this life is. Though I'm getting 25 LPA, then shall I take my son and daughter and go some other place? Shall I go to my parents' place by leaving this garbage collection out of order? Then what is the suggestion she asked? That is the overall story. So మీరు ఏ విధంగా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి? How you need to understand. If this situation comes to one male, it's a very uh, worst situation in the life of males. Correct? So girls are supposed to take care about in the home and not doing home related work also. Home related work, kids work, everything she is taking and doing the job also. Definitely is an amazing what she is doing. And what this guy is doing, worst person, not doing anything, IT doing, what to do that kind. And moreover, he learned a new habit of drinking. Drinking. ఏం చేయడు మళ్ళీ అది ఒక ఎక్స్ట్రా. సో వాట్ టు డూ? దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ క్వశ్చన్. That is the question. So what is your advice? That is, you think about it. You think about it. These they will not think. Think about it. What to do? So that is the question. Now, online students. Now move to the further. A to Z searches for all lowercase alphabets only. Searches for lowercase alphabets only. Now go to the place. Here I am going to write it. This is the one. Lowercase alphabets I am going to take it. This is lowercase alphabets. I think lowercase alphabets is started up. Yes, and now I want to go for lowercase alphabets. I want to continue. This part I'm going to take it. Other than lowercase alphabets with lowercase alphabets. So I will go to it. So searching for all. Which one? Lowercase alphabets. Lowercase alphabets. It is eighth. Eighth. So this is going to be A to Z. A to Z. Now this is called regular expression 8.py. So 8.py. Execute py. All of them are what coming? Lowercase alphabets. Lowercase alphabets. Now I want to go for what next? Other than lowercase alphabets, I want to take. Tell me, other than lowercase alphabets, next. Start first. స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్. బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్ కాదు, స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్. ఆల్రెడీ విన్నావు కదా అక్కడ చెప్పేటప్పుడు. మళ్ళా బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్ అంటే ఏ బ్రాకెట్? స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్ ఫస్ట్. ఇది ఏ టు జెడ్? క్యాపిటలా స్మాలా? స్మాల్ ఏ టు జెడ్. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ రాసావు కదా. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ రాసావు కదా, మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నావు? ఏంటది? ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా. వాట్ టు రైట్ ఇయర్? సిఎస్సి మళ్ళా నువ్వు సిఎస్సి అది నీకు ఒక స్పెషల్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ ఉంది మళ్ళా. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశా? ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్నా? ఉమ్, ఏపీయే కదా. ఏపీయే కదా. కరెక్ట్. సో షిడో, చూడు నువ్వు చెప్పలేకపోయావు ఆల్రెడీ. నేను 2 times I said ఆల్రెడీ. సో ఆల్ ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మైట్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఆల్రెడీ. నువ్వు చెప్పమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్, exclusive OR operator we need to use. Exclusive OR operator I need to use it. So let us coming to exclusive OR operator. పలుకు కదా ఒకసారి. గట్ ఏ అమ్మాయి మాట్లాడినట్టు మాట్లాడుతుందా? మాట్లాడు చక్కగా. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? ఎక్స్ ఆపరేటరా? ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఆర్ ఆపరేటర్ స్పెల్ అవుట్. కొద్దిగా నేర్చుకో, పలుకుతా ఉండు అప్పుడప్పుడు. చూడం, exclusive OR operator searches for, here I am writing, searches for all, which operate which one, all except what, except lowercase alphabets, except lowercase alphabets. I will go to this place. Online students, might be you got it this point. I'll go to 8 here, 9.py, 9.py. So I will take up next a 9.py. So there I will take it. Searches for all except lowercase alphabets. Here I am writing like this. 9.py. 9. Just the formula I am changing, students. You say 9.py. See what is coming. Here 1369. 1 is not there, 3 is not there, 6 is not there, 9 is not there, 13, 16, 20. 13 is not there, 16 is not there, 20 is not there, 23 is not there. All of them are coming except which letters, sir? Lowercase alphabets. Are you following me? Right. Next, I will go to one more thing. Online students. Next, I want to search for what? Digits. I want to search for digits. Stand up. First, square bracket open. 0 to what? 9. 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Sit down. Suppose I want to search for 135. 135. Either 1 or 3 or 5. What you will write? In the bracket, I will write what? 135. Like that, I will write 135 in the square bracket. If I write either 1 or 3 or 5 or 5. So I will write it here 0 to what? 9. What is this now? Searches for, searches for all digits. Searches for all digits only. Searches for all digits only. So I will go to this place. I'll go to this place. Students, little faster I am going to. There I will write it. Others here. Python here. There I am writing. Program for searching all digits. All digits only. Only. So I will write it. It is a 10 dot. 10 dot. I'm writing 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Save this code. Here I'm going to save it. 9 dot. Here I'm going to say py. Got it. All the digits I got it or not? All digits we got it. So next, I want to go for other than digits. Next, stand up. What to write? Other than digits. Square bracket open. Uh, uh, XOR operator. That is called what? Symbol. 0 to 9. 9. Close the bracket. What should I write it there? Searches for all except digits. Come on, sit down. Except digits. Except digits. I'm not asking big questions. Small questions I'm asking. Small questions I'm asking. Go to the place. Here I'm writing. Here I'm writing. Going to this place. Yesterday, I went to one corporate school. Yesterday. one school, one corporate school where many people are joining. ఆ స్కూల్ మ్యామ్ నాతో చెప్తుంది, ఒక పని మీద వెళ్ళాను నేను అక్కడికి, టు టాక్ సమ్ ఫీజ్ రిడక్షన్ టు మై రిలేటివ్ హూ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ అడ్మిషన్ ఇన్ టు దట్. That ma'am is saying to me, we are next year onwards, we are planning to teach Java also to our students. And she is showing one ma'am also. One ma'am also she is showing. She want to teach Java to the students. I am saying, okay, good, very good. And she don't know about us, what we are doing. They, they know that we are doing some job. Okay? We asked a fees reduction where our relative want to make a new admission. She is saying that we are making our students to learn Java. What normal parent will feel? Oh, Java, my son is learning or daughter is learning in the school only, seventh class only. And she shown one ma'am also. And that ma'am is showing that. And asked, what is your qualification? Qualification of that ma'am. She completed diploma. She completed diploma. Diploma means polytechnic. She want to teach Java. Now I asked a question. After seventh class, will they become software engineer at eighth class? Ani? Will they become? What is the need? Will they really learn Java there? Time waste kada. Now you only not able to learn. What they will learn? What they will learn? And these are all comedy. These are all comedy part. Because the normal parents will feel that without fees reduction, they will ask to pay the fees. For computer fees also they will charge. So these are all called just making the people fools. So I did not put anything. I don't want to stop their excitement and all those things. Okay. So somehow they are trying to tell like this. Let us move to the further. So I'm going to take up here 0 to 9. This is the one. Other than 0 to 9, I want to take it. Other than, this is called except digits. This is called digits. This is search for all except digits. How do you write it now? 0 to 9. Here I'm going to take up. How do you execute this now? Regular expressions 11.py. Here I'm going to write it. Execute that 11.py. So you are getting other than the digits. 2, 4, 10. 2 is not there, 4 is not there, 10 is not there. 14, 17, 21. 14, 17, 21. These are all not there here. These are all not there here. These are all comes under what concept? Other than the digits. Online students, are you following? Are you following this? Is it is it clear for all of you? Now, coming to the point back to our window. Next, I want to search for what next? Can you expect anybody? I want to look for purely alphabets. Purely alphabets. Purely alphabets means uppercase plus lowercase. What are the uppercase? Next, I want to search for completely alphabets. Completely alphabets includes what? Capital alphabets, small alphabets. Tell me the formula. Square bracket open. I want to search for all capital alphabets, all small alphabets. How do you write capital alphabets? Already చెప్పినా కదమ్మా. A to Z. How you want to look for small alphabets? What I said? Small a to Z. Small a to Z. అంతే కదా. ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? ఇక్కడ చూడు. A to Z. Here it is what? Alphabets. I said digits. చిన్నపిల్లలకు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ చెప్పినట్టు చెప్తున్నా నేను. 0 to 9 digits I said. I asked about 52. 52. In 52, what is there? 5 is there. 2, 2 is there. You know 5, you know 2 na? If I write 5 and 2, it will become what? 52. 89, 8, 9. 189, 1, 8, 9. అంతే కదా. మరి దానికి ఎందుకు అంత స్ట్రగుల్ అయిపోతున్నావు? కమాన్ టెల్ మీ. స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్. మళ్ళీ ఏ టు జెడ్ అంటావు. క్యాపిటల్ ఏ టు జెడ్. దాని తర్వాత స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ క్లోజ్. కూర్చో. చదువుకోండి, ఎట్లా చెప్పాలి నేర్చుకోండి కొద్దిగా. సెర్చెస్ ఫార్ Searches for what? Searches for alphabets. All alphabets. It is containing what? Upper plus upper plus what? Lower. Upper plus lower. That is I am going to write it. That is what I am going to write it. So here I will go to, this is the one I am going to write it. So here I will take up, carry this. Here I am going to write it. In this case, 12 Python here. There I am going to write it. Look at searching for all alphabets. Searching for all alphabets. So this is called a 12. Here I am writing A to Z, small a to Z. Looking for completely, looking for completely uppercase alphabets plus lowercase alphabet. This is called completely looking for alphabets. So I'm going to write it. I'm going to write it. Exit py. So it is going to give you completely alphabets. Which letters came? Uppercase came. Lowercase letters are coming. All of them are there or not? Yes. What is the formula for uppercase letters and the lowercase letters? To look A to Z and small a to Z. ఇవన్నీ అడుగుతా మిమ్మల్ని ఇప్పుడు. ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఆల్ 16 ఫార్ములాస్ యూ హావ్ టు టెల్. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి చెప్పాలి ఇప్పుడు. యూ హావ్ టు స్టాండ్ దేర్ అండ్ యూ హావ్ టు టెల్ ఆల్ ఫార్ములాస్. అదర్వైజ్ యూ విల్ బి హియర్ ఓన్లీ అప్ టు 8 o'clock టుడే. బీ కేర్ఫుల్. లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. బోత్ బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారో తెలియదు నాకు ఈరోజు. ఐ వాంట్ టు మేక్ యూ టు రిమెంబర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఐ విల్ గో టు వన్ మోర్. ఐ వాంట్ టు లుక్ ఫర్ వాట్? ఆల్ఫా న్యూమరిక్స్ అదర్ దాన్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్. Other than alphabets, I want to go for. Next stand up. Other than alphabets, I want to go for. Don't fold the hands. Other than alphabets, how do you look for? నాకు alphabets వద్దు. Upper alphabets I don't want. Lower alphabets I don't want. I want what? Special symbols plus digits. No alphabets. What to do? చెప్పమ్మా. చెప్పలేవు. ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? ఏ టు జెడ్. ఏ టు జెడ్. Exclusive or operator A to Z. Here this is called what? Alphabets. Other than alphabets I want. What you will do? నా కళ్ళు చూడలకు ఇక్కడ చూడు. నా కళ్ళు చూసి అసలు చెప్పలేవు నువ్వు. ఇక్కడ చూడు. ఉమ్, ఉమ్. Exclusive or operator. Capital A to Z. Small a to Z. ఆ స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఎవరు చెప్పాలా? ఎవరు చెప్పాలా? నేనా? చెప్పు మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ గా చెప్పు. స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్. వెరీ గుడ్. What is that formula for? What it will do? Searches for all except one. Except alphabets. Except alphabets. Correct? Shino. So go to the place. I will write the code. I will write the code. So this place. Next I will go to here. Searching for all. Searching for all except what? Alphabets. 13.py. Here I will write it exclusive or operator. So here I will write it. Here I'm going to write it. So done. Execute it. See 13.py. 13.py. See, these are all comes under what? 5, 9, like this. These are all called what? Digits and special symbols. Here, these are all called alphabets. 0, 1, 3, 5. Here లేదు అసలు 0, 1, 3, 5 is not there. 19, 20, 22. 19, 20, 22, 23 not there. Other than alphabets and then that. Next I will go to one more kind of thing. What is the next one I'm going for? Next stand up. Next stand up. I want to look for alphanumerics. Don't fold the hands. Why are you folding hands, all of you? Hmm? When you are folding hand means you are fearing plus no subject. Don't fold hands in front of anybody. Tell me. Hmm? Capital square bracket, capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9. This is known as what? Sit down. Searches for what? Searches for all alphanumerics. Alpha numerics. Alphanumerics. This is going to be called what? Alphabets plus digits. Alphabets plus what? Digits. Alphabets plus digits. I think you are understanding. Are you following me? Alphabets plus digits. Go to the code. Here I am going to write it. In this case, go to this place. Here I am going to take it. Others say Python here. So there I am writing. This is called 14 program for searching all all alpha numerics. Alpha numerics. So I'm going to write it alphanumerics. Alphanumerics. Go to that. I'm going to write it A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9. So it is going to give you completely alphanumerics. Regular expression 14.py. Go to this place, execute it, see here, py. This is going to be like this. See, A, K, 5, R, 9, etc. All the alphabets are there plus numerics are there. Now, next, stand up. Next formula. What is the next formula is for? Next formula చెప్పేసి square bracket 8 XOR. Come on. A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Searches for all except alphanumerics. Except you said alphanumerics. Other than alphanumerics, what they are? స్పెషల్ సింబల్స్. సింబల్స్ కాదు, స్పెషల్ సింబల్స్. మనం ఎప్పుడు కొద్దిగా వలుకుతాం, ఆ తోక ఉంటుంది చూడది. అందుకనే మనకు తోక అనేది. డోంట్ లర్న్ టైల్ సబ్జెక్ట్. ఓకే, తోక తోక సబ్జెక్ట్ నేర్చుకోక. సెర్చింగ్ ఫర్ స్పెషల్ సింబల్స్. స్పెల్ అవుట్ స్పెషల్ సింబల్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ గుడ్ సిట్ డౌన్ alphanumerics. Searches for what? Special symbols except alphanumerics. That's all. Now go to the place. This is a very regularly asking question. How do you search for special symbols? Special symbols means no alphabets, no digits. No alphabets and ఏంటి? Exclusive or operator. A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9. So I will write it. Online students, are you following me? Is it clear for all of you? Go to the place. Here I am going to write it. In this place, others here, Python. Now I'm going to write it 15.py. Searching for all special symbols. Very regularly asking, except alphanumerics. Here I'm going to write it. Execute 15.py. 15.py. Execute it. See, you are getting the special symbols. What is that? 18 and 8 and 18. ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేస్తాను, ప్రీవియస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఇది 18 and 18. 8 is not there, you see. 18 is also not there. 19 and 20 is there. 17 and 19 is there. These are the special symbols available. Are you following me? This is called the way of searching the special symbol. In the case of our normal Python programming, you are supposed to search for what? Alpha? No. Digit? No. Other than alpha and digit, it is called a special symbol. I need to write elif, multiple elifs I have to write. It's a very long process, but it is going to be a simplest process. This formula itself is going to do many things for you. Online students, are you following, ma? Are you following, all of you? Is this rules are clear? Next, these are called essential rules. Other than this, now I'm asking next. I want to search for uppercase alphabets and digits. Uppercase alphabets and digits. Square bracket open. Capital A to Z 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Okay. Sit down. Searches for all what? Uppercase alphabets and digits. Digits only. So digits only. Okay. Next I will write it. I hope you will do the code for this. Will you do the code? Right, you will do. So I'm not writing the same code again. So here I will write it. Next, stand up. Other than uppercase alphabets and then numerics, what I will write it? Square bracket open, exclusive or operator, capital A to Z, 0 to 9. What it will do? Searches for searches for all except uppercase alphabets and digits. Next, next, I want to search for lowercase alphabets and digits. Square bracket open, small a to z, 0 to 9. Sit down. What it searches for all lowercase alphabets and digits. Sit down. Only. Okay, good. Next, stand up. I want to search for other than lower alphabets and digits. Square bracket, don't fold the hands. Normal గా నిల్చో. Square bracket open. ఏంటది? XORR. ఏది ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ లాగానా సినిమానా? చెప్పు. వెరీ గుడ్. మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళకోసారి అప్పుడప్పుడు పలుకుతూ ఉంటే అర్థమవుతుంది. ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి పలికేవనుకో అట్లే వస్తుంది. తెలివే ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఆర్ ఆపరేటర్ ఆఫ్ స్మాల్ ఐ టు జెడ్ 0 to 9. 0 to 9. What it searches for all except lowercase alphabets and digits. Very good. Right. Sit down. Next, I want to search for $6 A. Capital A. I want to search for a $6 A. What I will write? Dollar capital A and 6. I want to search for. What I will write it? Malla చెప్తున్నా. I want to search for dollar capital A and 6. How do you search for? I want to search for KVR. What I was written? Square bracket KVR. I want to search for hash symbol dollar symbol capital A 6. How do you write? సైలెన్స్ ఉండండి మీరు. ఇన్ని చెప్పిన తర్వాత నువ్వు చెప్పట్లే. నాకు తిన్న పొద్దున అయిపోయింది అది. I already ate. I repeated 3 times the question. It is over. Now feeling hungry again. Tell me. Actually, I want to maintain a diet from last 3 years. 2 meal a day, not 3 meals, 4 meals like pakodi, jalebi, like that. No. Only 2 meal a day I want to because I want to be something lean. What to do? Come on. I want to search for dollar capital A 6. What it will write? Square bracket open. Dollar A 6. Square bracket close. That will search for dollar A 6. Good. Sit down. So actually when you stand up now, Question also you cannot listen because tension. In the tension, you will not listen the question also. It is there. It is there. I understand. But you need to focus more closely. So I will go to that. Are you following this? This is that means this is not only 16. You can customize your own formula. Depends on what I want to search. You can customize your formula. Is it clear? So online students, is it easy or difficult? Is it easy or difficult these formulas quickly? These are all called programmer defined character classes in regular expressions. Who will come and tell all these 16 formulas now on the dash? Who will come? Next student. Will you come and tell here? Will you come and tell this 16 next student? Will you come and tell here? No. Why? Huh? Will you come and tell here? You will come. No, you will not come. So sit down. Sit down. I will come to at the end of it. It is easy. Easy or difficult? Easy. Now I will go to one more kind of thing I will introduce. Programmer defined character classes are those. Now I will go to predefined character classes. I will take it. Shall we start predefined character classes? Come on. Yes. Now I am going to take the predefined character classes. Now I would like to carry. Now I would like to carry to the new one. So let me go to the predefined character classes again. So I will let me close this entire programs. I will go to predefined character classes now. That also I'm going to introduce. So they are very, very simple students. Don't feel much difficult by yourself. So I'm going to take it predefined. This also dead easy. Predefined character classes in regular expressions. Predefined means what? Already defined. You are defining a predefined character classes are those which are those which are which are already already defined by Python language developers. Python language developers already developed it. In the software only developed, and they are available in they are available in Python software. They are available in Python software and used by which programmers? Python programmers. That means you people are using. For what purpose you are using? For for the purpose of for the purpose of used by Python programmers for the purpose of defining for the purpose of defining defining or designing designing the search patterns which is used to matching or searching or finding in the given data obtains which result? Desired result. How many are there? The syntax for predefined character classes. The syntax for predefined character classes are given below. But you need to write here slash. I need to write not the square bracket open and etc. We will write a slash. Predefined character class you need to write. Predefined character class. Okay. The predefined character classes. We have six predefined character classes. Six predefined character classes. They are given in the following table. What are the predefined character classes? Now I'm going to write it. Predefined character classes I'm going to take up. Let us start predefined character classes now. Very, very simple. Now I'm going to start. Start up. How many are there? Six are there. Now I'm going to start, students. Actually, you need not to know about it, but still, I want to tell you. I want to tell you. So here I'm going to write it. Number one slash D. Spell out slash D. What is that D stands for? Our search pattern is a combination of alphabets, digits, special symbols. Slash D. D stands for digits. God given knowledge. Full form. Digits. Searches for, come on, easy. Searches for digits. Huh? ఏంటది? మొద్దు ఏం చెప్తున్నావు? searches for digit only. No, they'll say the English. Digit only, which is as good as similar to what? 0 to 9. 0 to 9 only you will take it. 0 to 9 only you will take it. Instead of writing the slash d, happily I can write 0 to 9. I am writing 0 to 9. Why that person is speaking? Black shirt. Stand up. Doubt? Subject doubt? Why are you talking? Do you have doubt? Do you have doubt? Then why are you talking? Do you think that sir is speaking more liberally than I will talk like that? Stand there. Don't know anything. Doubt? Why are you talking? Any doubt in the subject? Doubt in the subject? Are you talking? Huh? You're not talking. Is talking or not? Stand up. What is talking? Ah. You don't know Hindi. You are talking in Hindi. తిడుతున్నాడా నిన్ను? Don't know Hindi. AP. But you know Hindi. I know. I know you know Hindi. But you are telling to me you are a good person. You are intelligent. Really tell me. Do you know Hindi or not? ఏమి రాదా? You don't know Hindi at all? నాకు నేను చాలా ప్యూరిటీ ఇన్ హార్ట్ తో మాట్లాడతాను మీద. ఐ విల్ స్పీక్ విత్ వెరీ ప్యూరిటీ విత్ యూ. యూ డోంట్ నో హిందీ అస్సలు. తోడ తోడ. హీ డిడ్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే. దెన్ యూ సెడ్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. యూ సెడ్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్ ఆర్ నాట్? Something like that means you understood or not? You said like this. That means you understood what he is speaking. You did not say like this. Hmm? Subject is speaking. And let it be. That's why the first question is doubt. Do you have the doubt? Come on. Subject doubt means I will clarify. Tell me. Come. Tell me the subject. I will explain. Hmm. Tell me there. They also will listen. Hmm? Repeat this one. I will repeat. You say like that. Go there. He's asking repeat. You don't know repeat in Telugu? He's asking to you explain. So slash D stands for what? Digit. Slash D meaning is what? Searches for what? Digit only, which is as good as similar to what? 0 to 9. 0 to 9. So you can ask me. If you ask him, you don't know Hindi. If you speak in Hindi, Marathi, Malayalam like that, he will not understand anything. Sit down. Subject means sit down. If you doubt is there, please directly ask me. Okay? Directly ask me. Now coming to the point of it, slash D searches for a digit only. Now I will go to the code. In this place, instead of using this slash D, you can use 0 to 9 also. Go to the place. Muhammad Saqib, it is not a number, it is a digit. Digit is different from number. Remember, number means what? Collection of digits is called a number. Digit means what? 0 to 9. 123, it is a number. 3 is called what? Digit. Understood? Number is different from digit. Number formed with digits. Number formed with digit. So digit is different from number. So to prepare the number, I will go for quantifiers. So I will explain that. Searching for all what? Digits. Searching for all digits only. Sakibari, okay? So now I will go to this one. I will write a slash D. Slash D. I will write it. Slash D, if I write it, slash D, if I write it, you will be getting one deprecation syntax warning will come. Syntax warning will come. Why? Because slash n will have which meaning? New line. Slash T will have which meaning? Tab spaces. Like that. There is a slash U, slash B, slash D. There are some escape character sequence letters are there in our C language. That meaning our Python also will carry. If I write a slash D, it will take it as what? That a slash will take escape character sequence. You see the output will come, but you will not get the pure output without deprecation or syntax error. So see that now you are getting syntax warning. Answer came, all digits came, but what came? Yes. What is an answer there you are getting? Escape, invalid escape sequence slash D. So what you will do to avoid that in our packages, I was written double slashes. Did you remember? Double slashes I wrote it. You will get the perfect output. Perfect output came. But our regular expression formula is what? Not a double slash. It is a single slash only. You will write or or R stands for what? R stands for what? Raw. 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 R stands for raw. I will tell to the PVM, treat slash D as slash D only. It is not any other kind of escape sequence character. Please treat slash D as slash D only. That is nothing but treat the meaning as what? Raw D only. That is called a digit searching only. Did you understand this R and all? Raw. Did you understand the meaning of raw? Mango you are buying, for example, eating mango directly. That is called eating raw mango. Mango. Mango with milk and then you are preparing some juice. That is called what? Adding some preservatives. That is called not raw. It is a processed food. Are you getting it? Something like that. I think you are understanding the meaning of R. So execute that same thing. You are getting the perfect answer. There is some legacy code was there in the Python regular expression in earlier versions. Some people will do what? Like this also they will do. RE dot compile. RE dot compile of like this. And they will write something like this. They will write something like this. Same answer. So why to learn the old versions called a compile? Why to keep more burden on your head? Basically, our brain will not work for a long time. It will work only day by day only. At a 12 hours state only it will remember. After 12 hours, brain will become refresh. అర్థమవుతుంది నేను చెప్పేది. It will not remember like me. Long history cannot remember. It will remember only 12 hours span of data only it can remember. Next day when you come back, yesterday data gone. Roll back. So to remember daily, you need to have a long forecasting studies. Are you getting this meaning? Well, students, now I will go to this slash D. Next one is what? Come on. Slash capital D. Opposite to small d, capital D. Capital D. So in email writing, OK and capital OK, there is a lot of differences there. OK means what? Soft in nature, soft. Capital OK means what? Angry is there inside. Suppose when you go to traffic, challan, when you get it, something is written in capital letter. It is an urgent, pay quickly, otherwise your vehicle will be seized. Capital letters they will write. Capital letter shows urgency immediately. So small letters will say what? Soft in nature. Simply, suppose you are there. Your friend is asking again and again, shall we go to movie? Shall we go to movie? Again and again asking 20 times continuously. What you will get it? You will get angry or not? You'll say what? Okay. Bigger okay, you will say. That bigger okay is called what? Angry. If say first time asking, you'll say okay. But okay, big okay, there is a lot of difference. Is there or not? Yes. So come on, what is this now? Searches for hmm. Searches for what? All except searches for all except digits. It is as good as similar to, how do I write it? Already we wrote it. 0 to 9. 0 to 9 I already wrote it. So go to the place students. Here I will write it. Go to the new one. I will take others here. Then Python. There I'm writing. Program for searching all except what? Digits. There I'm going to write it 17.py. There I'm going to write it capital D. Capital D. I will write the 17.py. So there I'm going to save it 17.py. There I will write it py. So I got it. Other than the digits, got it. Any digits are there? Come on. No digits are there. All of them are alphabets are there. Special symbols are there. Now I will go to the next one. What is the next one? I want to look for alphanumerics. Alphanumerics slash W. What is the W says? What is the W says? Searches for word character. Searches for word character, which is nothing but what is that? A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9. 0 to 9. And other than this one, I will write it what here? What I will write it? Here I will write a capital W. Capital W I will write it. This is searches for what? All except except word character, which is as good as similar to what? Exclusive or operator. Exclusive or operator. That is nothing but searches for all special symbols. That is good word. Special for special symbol. In the bracket, except what? Word character. I hope you followed it. Go to that. I will write combine together both the programs at a time. I will go to others here, Python here. So writing. This is called 18.py, searching for all which characters? Word characters. Word characters. There I will write 18. Here I am writing what? Double A. So there I am writing 18. Regular expression 18.py. So save this now. Out of that py, here I am going to get it. All the alphabets are there. With the digits also we got it. With the digits also I got it. With the digits also got it. Are you getting it? Next, I will keep it. Other than this, other than this, I will get it. Other than this, I will talk about it. Python here, there I am writing program for searching all special symbols. All special symbols. When you go to an interview, they will ask you this type of thing, students. Remember that. All formulas they will ask you, except what? Word characters. This is called 19.py. Here I am writing capital W, no exclusive or operator. So I will take up 19.py, 19.py. So I'll just post it here. Execute 19.py. So how many special symbols? Two special symbols are there. 8, 18. అవి రెండు లేవు ఇక్కడ. 7 and 9 is there. 19 and 17 like this it is there. That is except what? Word characters. That is called special symbols. Are you getting me? Online students, are you following? These are all called what? Come on. Programmer defined, predefined. Predefined. Come on, go to next slash s. What is the slash s? You know, program for searching, searching space character. Program for searching space character. It's important. This is an important. Go to the place. Here I am going to write it. In this place, I will take this now. Do you have any space characters with me? Do you have any space characters with me, students? This is called a 20. 20. Program for searching all space characters. Do you have any space characters here? No. Slashes I am writing. No space characters. Nothing is going to print. So save this now. 20. execute py. There is no characters. I want to go for want to keep a space between 5 and R1 space, between 5 and R1 space, between 7 and G1 space. Execute. There are two spaces are coming. 3 and 4 one space, 12 and 13 one more space. Are you following? Don't come and ask me tomorrow, sir. Here no value printed, sir. What the value here, sir? Will you ask like that? So last ఎప్పుడో ఒక స్టూడెంట్ next day he came a laptop and he asked me, sir, here nothing is printed, sir. Previous all results are printing, sir. Here no result is printed, sir. And what to do? Having brain, no brain, brain, no brain, no brain. So nothing is printed means what is there? Space is there first of all. Space is there, all. So please remember that this is having some spaces in the middle. Very, very important is there in this. Next, I will go to other than space. Other than space characters. Non-space characters want to find. What are the non-space characters? The one searching for all except what? Searching for program for searching. 21. Program for searching all except what? Space characters. Execute. Store 21.py. Execute 21.py. There I am going to write it. 21. What happens? I did not change. Capital S I will write it. Okay. Capital S you see. What is the capital S related on small s related answer? 3 and 12. Here 3 is not there. 12 is not there. Understand? Other than spaces, everything came. These are called what? Predefined character classes. So how many predefined character classes are there? Six. What are those six? Tell me. Slash D, slash capital D, program for searching for all, searching for space characters, searching for all except space character. Tell me. Next, stand up. Next student, stand up. Who is the next student? Tell me all the programmer defined character classes once. Predefined character classes, tell me. Slash D for what? Searching for digits. Next. Slash capital D. Searching for. Searching for. Except. Searching for except. Searching for all except digits. మనం మాట్లాడేది మనకు బ్రెయిన్ పంపి వాట్ యు ఆర్ స్పీకింగ్ సెండ్ టు బ్రెయిన్ బ్రెయిన్ సేస్ కరెక్ట్ దెన్ స్పీక్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ స్పీకింగ్ డోంట్ టిల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ సెండ్ టు బ్రెయిన్ బ్రెయిన్ సేస్ టిక్ మార్క్ దెన్ స్పీక్ ఓకే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫర్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ అట్లా చెప్పకూడదు ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫర్ సెర్చింగ్ ఆల్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ డిజిట్స్ నెక్స్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ another predefined character class. Don't fold the hands. Huh? Okay. Yeah. తర్వాత చెప్పు దాని డిస్క్రిప్షన్ సెర్చింగ్ ఫర్ ఏం కదమ్మా చెప్పు సెర్చెస్ ఫర్ ఆల్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఆల్ఫా న్యూమరిక్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ వర్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్ స్పెల్ అవుట్ సెర్చెస్ ఫర్ వర్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్ రైట్ నెక్స్ట్ దాని తర్వాత స్లాష్ నో క్యాపిటల్ డబ్ల్యూ small w for that one, capital W for searches for symbol, searches for special symbols. ఎందుకు భయపడుతున్నావు ఎందుకు భయపడుతున్నావు searches for symbols except word character already you know, right? Sit down. Next, silence, slash s, small s, Searches for space character. Next, capital, capital S. Okay. This space character, this space character. Searches for except space characters. Searches for all except space characters or searches for non-space characters. Correct? So think. When you are thinking, all of you, what you are thinking sent to the brain. బ్రెయిన్ లో ఒక రిసెప్టర్ ఉంటుంది, ఒక బులియన్ కండిషన్ ఉంటుంది. సిడం బులియన్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్, కరెక్ట్, ట్రూ, స్పీక్, ఫాల్స్, అగైన్ థింక్, దెన్ స్పీక్. బిఫోర్ స్పీకింగ్ యూ నీడ్ టు థింక్. నెక్స్ట్, tell me all the characters once, predefined characters. Slash D. Okay, the description. Okay, tell all the formulas. Slash D, slash capital D, slash huh? www. Huh? Slash, slash. Okay, small w. Okay, slash small s. అది స్మాల్ ఎస్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎస్ ఎవరు చెప్పాలి? అది మళ్ళా చెప్పు. వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. చూడం. So this is called the predefined character classes. Now I'm going to enter into the next one. This is about predefined character classes. Predefined character classes, almost you are going to use it. Other than this, I'm already having with what? Programmer defined character classes already done. Understood? This kind of thing. I want to go for one more kind of thing is there. Quantifiers concept is there. Quantifiers concept is there. What is that? There is a plus symbol is there. There is a star symbol is there. There is a question mark symbol is there. There is a dot symbol is there. Question plus, star, question mark, and dot. So shall I teach today or tomorrow? Today, tomorrow. Today, today. So you need to step to 1:20. 1 o'clock, 20 minutes. You'll stay. Or tomorrow. Anyhow, tomorrow I will take up and I will complete my programs and all those things. So tomorrow I will teach first 15-20 minutes. Then I'll go to the programs and I will discuss. Because if I make it, it will be too hurry for you. You will not understand. Because our English is antanta matrame. Our English is little bit poor. If I say plus, this is called what? One or more undone. This is called what? Zero, zero, or one or more. This is called what? One or zero undone. This is for all undone. This is a big problem. So I will show with a good example and all. So tomorrow class, I will go for quantifiers concept. Plus, I will go for the other kind of things. Online students, today or tomorrow. So this part I completed. This part I completed. Anyhow, tomorrow I'm going to take this one plus this examples. I will complete my tomorrow class. So tomorrow is a better. Anyhow, if I take that, anyhow, it will be completing in first 1 hour. Tomorrow I will cover this. So I can take full class tomorrow so that it will be over. So Monday, we will go for NumPy Pandas class at the same time. Okay, na? So, no, something. Somebody is called Sar also. Somebody called. Did you heard like that? Yaro pilsar nano. Mirena? Say. Yes, sir, you said. So you called me something like sir like that. Maybe sometimes I may hear something wrong or what. Tomorrow class, we will go for quantifiers and this part we will go for it. Thank you. Carry on. Online students, if you have any doubts, you can hold on. I will clarify your doubts.